Yabona namhlanje one thing esizoyithatha from today it's a clean sheet for Chain. It's another record breaking. Pirates continue on breaking records. Another thing esizoyithatha coming to this game. Remember ukuthi Pirates is the first team yokudlala i-cup final AAPSL. Home and away. We played home, we drew, and then we're going to play a second leg, a final AAPSL. Sure. Whoever did that?
No one.
Orlando Pirates. Yeah. So Pirates is breaking records left and right. Yeah. Big up to the fans. Number one, big up for the fans. Ama fans, they always came in numbers. They always supported the Pirates. Pirates, it is what it is today is because of the fans. Yeah. Ama player lawa awazothatha ama awards bazowathathiswa ama fans. Ngikutshela ukuthi kukhona iplayer ezocollecta yonke into on offer.
Ubalo. Ubalo. Angimazi ubalo.
Umpara wasevale 18 Moyeni.
Yes.
Yes.
Jersey number 38.
Jersey number 38. Yeah. Uzothatha footballer of the year.
Yeah.
Uzothatha players of the year.
Okay.
We hoping ukuthi athathe ne leading goal scorer but akakoranga today
but correct 3 goals I think.
Le 3 goals le kungenzeka ishaye yeah but into engizoyisho ukuthi so elande Mbombela sizobuya nayo iligi ye
sizobuya nayo
so elande Mbombela
sizobuya nayo
iligi ye
sizobuya nayo
noma amakhosi angavumi
yes
nawo sizobuya noma isana waningavumi
sizobuya nayo
iligi ye
ngicela sivale members danko